Welcome again. This is Abda T. My name is James. A man turned an airplane into his home, and inside looks pretty special. Bruce Campbell, a 64-year-old retired electrical engineer, has always had a very creative vision. When he was in his early 20s, he bought a 10-acre piece of land for $23,000 in the woods of Hillsboro, Oregon, with a very clear vision on what to do with it. He took an old airplane and a big piece of land and turned it into the most unique home on earth. So guys, before we get started, I challenge you to subscribe and turn on the notification button. Alright, let's get started. Ever since he was young, Campbell has had an affinity for tinkering with old objects and creating new things. His plan for this piece of land was to use it as the place to build a home for himself, a home he wanted to fashion out of several different freighters. It seemed to be a very innovative plan. But then Campbell heard about a home someone else had built, about 2 decades after he first came up with his plan. Bruce Campbell heard about Joanna Ussery, a hairdresser from Mississippi. She'd bought a Boeing 727 and transformed it into a home. Her previous home had burned down, so she chose to renovate a functional airplane next to a quiet river. This made Campbell think, and he decided to change his plans. Boeing 727 in 1999. Campbell decided to buy a Boeing 727 aircraft from Olympic Airways for a whopping $100,000. When he'd bought the plane, he needed to transport the enormous vehicle to the forest in Oregon. Since the plane had to be imported from Athens, Greece, this transportation turned out to be a bit of an issue. The transport costs eventually added up to about $120,000, which meant that he basically paid $220,000 for the plane to him. Though the plane was worth every single penny, the Boeing 727 offers a lot of space. But Campbell lives quite modestly in his unusual home. He sleeps on a futon, cooks using a microwave and a toaster, eats mainly cereals and canned food, and builds a lot of improvised equipment himself. Step inside this extraordinary airplane home and you'll be greeted with a plethora of unique features that make it truly one of a kind. From the moment you enter, you'll be captivated by the clever use of space and the attention to detail that has been put into every nook and cranny. One of the standout features of this converted airplane home is the way the original windows have been repurposed. These windows, once used to provide breathtaking views of the sky, now offer panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. It's a truly magical experience to sit by one of these windows and watch the world go by. Another feature that sets this airplane home apart is the use of the overhead compartments. Instead of being left empty or removed altogether, these compartments have been transformed into storage spaces that seamlessly blend with the interior design. The result is a space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. In addition to these unique features, the airplane home also boasts a cozy bedroom nestled in the cockpit, with just enough space for a comfortable bed and some personal belongings. This bedroom offers a private sanctuary within the larger living space. It's the perfect spot to unwind after a long day and drift off to sleep while being surrounded by the history and charm of the airplane. These are just a few examples of the many unique features that make this airplane home so special. Each room holds its own surprises and delights, showcasing the owner's passion for design and commitment to creating a truly extraordinary living space. The next time you find yourself on an airplane, you may just start dreaming of turning it into your own unique home. The process of converting the airplane into a living space. Converting an airplane into a livable space is no small feat. It requires careful planning, creativity, and a keen eye for design. The process of transforming this airplane into a home was a labor of love, with the owner and the team of experts working tirelessly to bring the vision to life. The first step in the conversion process was to strip the airplane of its original interior. This involved removing seats, overhead compartments, and any other fixtures that were not needed for the new design. This blank canvas allowed the owner to truly envision the possibilities and start from scratch. Next came the planning phase, where every inch of the airplane was carefully measured and mapped out. The owner worked closely with architects and designers to create a floor plan that maximized space and functionality. This involved making tough decisions about which features to keep and which to let go, all while staying true to the vision of creating a unique and comfortable home. Once the floor plan was finalized, the real work began. The interior of the airplane was transformed from top to bottom, with new flooring, walls, and ceilings installed. The owner sourced unique materials and furnishings to bring the space to life, carefully selecting each piece to complement the overall design. Throughout the conversion process, the owner faced numerous challenges, from navigating safety regulations to finding creative solutions. For unconventional spaces, it was a constant balancing act. However, each challenge was met with determination and a commitment to creating a home that was both beautiful and functional. After months of hard work, the airplane home finally took shape. It was a labor of love that paid off, resulting in a truly extraordinary living space that showcases the owner's creativity and vision. It serves as a reminder that with a little imagination, even the most unconventional spaces can be transformed into something truly special. Photos and descriptions of the interior of the airplane home. Welcome inside the stunning interior of the converted airplane home. Take a virtual tour through these photos and descriptions to get a glimpse of the unique and captivating space that awaits. Living area. As you step inside the airplane home, you're greeted with a spacious living area that exudes charm and character. The original airplane seats have been replaced with comfortable sofas and chairs, creating a cozy space for relaxation and socializing. The large windows flood the room with natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Kitchen. The fully equipped kitchen is located in the cabin area of the airplane. It features modern appliances, ample counter space, and clever storage solutions. The owner has thoughtfully incorporated aviation-themed decor into the design, paying homage to the airplane's history. Bedroom. Nestled in the cockpit. The bedroom is a tranquil retreat within the larger living space. It features a comfortable bed, soft lighting, and unique artwork that adds a touch of personality. The original cockpit controls have been preserved and serve as a reminder of the airplane's past life. Bathroom. The bathroom is compact yet functional, with a shower, toilet, and sink cleverly tucked away. The owner has made use of every inch of space, ensuring that no area goes to waste. These are just a few highlights of the interior of the airplane home. Each room holds its own surprises and delights, showcasing the owner's impeccable taste and attention to detail. The result is a living space that is both visually stunning and incredibly livable. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and before we leave, remember to subscribe, comment, like and share. In the comment box tell us whom you want we may cover next. We love you. See you in the next video.